Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be providing a market update on XDC and going over my analysis. So if you are new to the channel and you want to show some support, please leave a like and subscribe. So I have a few key levels identified. In the short term, we have this downward sloping trend line holding as resistance. You can see how all of the prior lower highs are holding resistance at this level, starting with this peak at 19 cents in August of 2021. So ideally for XDC to be bullish, you want to see it reclaim this level and start trending back above it. So what that would mean for price action is just start, trending back up sort of slowly, and then reclaiming this, holding it as support, and then targeting some of these lower highs that were formed off of this trend line, such as the one at 6.6 cents in May, and then this one in January at 10 cents. So if we are able to do that and start targeting these lower highs, I think that would be a lot more bullish, a lot more positive for the price, and it would ultimately make this chart look much, much better. If we do not hold this as support and we don't get back above it, I would expect some sort of rejection, and then at the very, very least a retest of the May 12th capitulation low. So if this May 12th capitulation low holds as support, then probably we would just consider or continue to consolidate and move sideways. However, I would expect a retest of this 2018 cycle high at the very least if this May 12th capitulation low does not hold. So if we lose this level at 3.2 cents, this prior low formed when Bitcoin kind of formed that $25,000 low. If that level does not hold, I would expect a retest of this sort of 1.9 cent high that was formed in the cycle of 2018. So this is sort of a magnet for price because we never had a back test, we never had a retest of this level as support, and actually a lot of altcoins retested their prior 2018 cycle peaks. Those that actually made a new all-time high retested it as support. So I would expect this to be a huge level of support if we do make it back down to that level. Obviously it is much further down from where we are today, but in the event that, say, Bitcoin is dropping below $25,000 towards the low 20s, then I would expect a retest of this level, and I would also expect a significant bounce off of here. So whether we bounce at this 2018 cycle peak at 1.9 cents or at some of these other support levels such as the one at 2.7 cents, I would expect after that bounce most likely we would reclaim this trend line, something like this, if we are not to reclaim it in the next few weeks following a key retest of this downward sloping trend line. So really it comes down to whether we can break this shorter term downtrend, and once we start closing back above this and holding it as support, I would expect this downtrend to have concluded and to expect some price action towards these lower highs in May and January of this year. So that is the end of my analysis on XDC. I hope you guys did enjoy, and as always, I will see you in the next one.